Hello everyone, this is the part 2 solution video of week 4 graded assignment questions. Let's start with question number 4. Consider a polynomial function px. This is our function. Choose the set of correct option. This is our 4 option. We have to choose the correct option. So first try to draw the graph of this polynomial. Roots of this equation are 4 minus 4, 3, 2, minus 9. And it's a 2, 2, 4, 6, 7. It's a odd degree polynomial function. And leading term is negative. So it's our minus 9, minus 4, 2, 3, and 4. So it's an odd degree polynomial and the leading term is negative. So the end behavior of this graph is look like this, the opposite direction. Okay. Now minus 9 degrees 1, so cut this point only. Minus 4 also degrees 1, cut this point only. And for 2 degrees 2, so touch this point. And 3 degrees 2, like this. And last one is 4. In this point, cut only the point. So this is our graph. Now let's check the option. Px is strictly decreasing when x belongs to 4 to infinity. So this is our interval 4 to infinity. So the function is strictly decreasing in this interval. So it is our correct option. Next one, total number of turning points of px are 6. So these are our turning points. These are our turning points. So the total number of turning points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's also our correct option. Next option is px is strictly increasing when x belongs to minus infinity to minus 9. So the interval minus infinity to minus 9 in this interval. So in this interval the function is, the graph is decreasing, right? Minus infinity to minus 9, the graph is decreasing, not increasing. So it's not a correct option. There are exactly 7 points of px where the slope of the tangent is 0. We know that at the turning points the slope becomes 0. So here is 6 turning points. So at 6 points the slope of the tangent is 0, not 7. So it's not a correct option. Next question, question number 5. The height of a roller coaster at a given time is modeled by the polynomial function ht. This is our polynomial function where t represents time in seconds. Find the turning points of the height function. Okay. To get the turning points, we have to draw the graph of this polynomial function. So first, factorize this whole equation. So it is t minus 5, t minus 10, t minus 20 plus 5 whole square, t minus 5. Okay, it's t plus 1 and 2 minus t whole cube. Okay. Now here is t minus 5, and if we common minus here, so get a minus, and t minus 5 whole square, t minus 10, t minus 20, t plus 5 whole square, t plus 1 and t minus 2 cube. So the roots are 5, 10, 20, minus 5, minus 1 and 2. Okay. Now let's draw the graph. So minus 5, minus 1, 2, 5, 10 and 20. Now let's check the degree of this polynomial function. 2, 3, it's so 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7 plus 3 10 degree polynomial. Right? It's a 10 degree polynomial, that means even degree, and the leading coefficient is negative for the minus sign, right? So the end points are like this. And minus 5 degrees squared. So touch the point, minus 1, cut the point. For 2, it's cube. Five, it's square. And 10. 20, cut the point. So this is our graph. Now we have to find the turning points. Okay. So this is our turning points, right? These one, these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of turning points is 8. This is our correct option. Next question, choose the correct option based on the data given in the fifth question. Okay, now here is some problem in the options. So we will solve this question in the next video. Let's move to question number 7. An ant named B wants to climb an uneven cliff and reach its ant hill. On its way home, B makes sure that it collects some food. A group of ants have reached the food locations which are at x-intercept of the function this fx. Now, as ants secrete pheromones, a form of signals which other ants can detect and reach the food location, B gets to know the food location. Then the sum of the coordinates of all the food locations is, so we have to find the sum of coordinates of food location, and food locations are the x-intercept. So to get the x-intercept, we have to put fx is equal to 0. So x square minus 21 x minus 4 whole cube minus 1 equals to 0. Now x square minus 21 is equal to 0. So x equal to plus minus root of 21 and x minus 4 whole cube minus 1 is equal to 0. So x minus 4 whole cube is equal to 0 is equal to 1. So x minus 4 equals to 1, x equal to 5, right? So these are the x coordinate of the food location. Now we have to find the sum. So sum is plus root 21 minus root 21 and plus 5. So our sum is 5. So this is our answer. Question number 8. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways wants to connect 3 aspirational districts with 2 roads R1 and R2. 2 roads are connected if they intersect. The shape of the 2 roads R1 and R2 follows the polynomial curve fx and gx. Respectively. What will be the x-coordinate of the third aspirational districts if the first 2 are at x-intercepts of fx and gx? Okay, so first 2 districts are at x-intercepts of fx and gx. So the x-intercept of fx and gx are x equal to 13 and x equals to 11. These are the 2 districts. Now we have to find the x-coordinate of third aspiration district. Now 2 roads are connected if they intersect. So when they intersect, fx is equal to gx, right? Here we say fx is equal to gx. So it's x minus 13 x minus 11 whole square plus x minus 13 x minus 11 is equal to 0. Now if we take x minus 13 x minus 11, these terms common from these 2 terms, we get x minus 11 plus 1. Now we get the first 2 districts from these and these, and to get the third aspirational district we have to equate this term with 0, right? So x equal to 10. This is the x coordinate of the third aspirational district. So our answer is 10. This is our answer. Next one, a company is manufacturing custom made boxes with a volume represented by the polynomial Vx. This is our polynomial function. If the length of each box is represented by the polynomial Lx, this is our length, given that width and height of the box are Wx and Hx respectively, also given that for all x greater than 0, Hx greater than Wx, that means height greater than the width, and the degree of the polynomials Hx and Wx is 1. These are given. So with this question statement, we have to solve 2 questions 9 and 10. So question number 9 is polynomial expression which represents width of the box Wx. So we have to find Wx. Now we are given volume of the box and also length of the box. So volume is equal to volume of a box is equal to length into width into height, right? So volume and length are given. So if we divide volume by length, we will get width into height, right? So Vx divide Lx, we will get Wx into Hx. So we have to divide volume by length. Length is x plus 1 and volume is 4x cube plus 16x square plus 17x plus 5. So we know the polynomial division. First term is we have to take 4x square. It's 4x cube plus 4x square 12x square plus 17x plus 5. Next we have to take 12x, right? So it is 12x square plus 12x. So it is 5x plus 5. And the last one is plus 5. So we get 5x plus 5. So this polynomial function 4x square plus 12x plus 5 equals to width into height, right? Now in the question it is told that the degree of polynomials hx and wx is 1. So we have to factorize this polynomial function. Then we will get 2x plus 10x plus 5 so it is 2x plus 1 and other term is 2x plus 5. So we get 2 factored here, 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 5. So from between these two factors, one is our width polynomial and other one is the polynomial of height. So to choose which one is the polynomial function represents the width, we have to use this condition which is given here. Hx greater than wx for all greater than equal to 0. Height is greater than width. So from this factor we can clearly say that 2x plus 5, this factor is greater than 2x plus 1, right, for all x greater than 0. So the polynomial expression which represents the width of the box is 2x plus 1, right? So this is our correct option. And the question number 10, polynomial expression which represents the area of the base. So area of the base is equals to length into width. right? So the polynomial function of length is x plus 1 and the polynomial function of width is 2x plus 1. We get 2x square plus 3x plus 1. This is the polynomial function of area of the base. Option number 4. This is our right option. Next one. A telecommunication company observed that the number of monthly subscribers for its internet service can be modeled by the polynomial function is where t represents the number of months since the service was launched. Using this information, we have to solve the question number 11 and 12. So question number 11 is the company aims to reach a milestone of 5,000 subscribers. How many months will it take to achieve this goal based on the polynomial function? Okay. So this is our polynomial function. And we have to find the time when the company reached a milestone of 5,000 subscribers. So here we have to put tq minus 2t square minus 24t plus 5,000 is equal to 5,000, right? So now we have to solve this equation. So these 5,000 and these 5,000 cancelled. So tq minus 2t square minus 24t is equal to 0. Now take t common. T square minus 2t minus 24 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this term. T square minus 6t plus 4t minus 24 is equal to 0. So t into t minus 6 t plus 4 is equal to 0. So now t is equal to 0, t is equal to 6 and t cannot be equal to minus 4 as t represents the time, the number of months, right? So it cannot be minus 4. And here a note is given that t greater than 0. So t cannot be equal to 0. So t is equal to 6. That means within 6 months the company will reach a milestone of 5,000 subscribers. Okay. And our last question, the number of actual subscribers after 1 year, given that the polynomial function overestimates the actual subscriber by 60%. So we have to find the subscribers after 1 year. Here t represents the number of months. So 1 year means 12 months. So we have to put 12 in place of t here in this equation. So 12 cube is equal to 12 cube minus 2 into 12 square minus 24 into 12 plus 5,000. After calculating, we will get the number 6152. Okay. Now, in the question, it is said that the polynomial function overestimates the actual subscribers by 60%. That means this polynomial function, from this polynomial function, the number of subscribers which we got here, it is 60% extra. It is 60% greater than the actual subscribers. Okay, so if we take X as our actual subscriber, then X plus X into 60 by 100 is equal to 6152. Okay. So X plus 3X by 5 is equal to 6152. So 8X by 5 is equal to 6152. So X equal to 3845. So this is our actual number of subscribers after 1 year. 3845. This is our answer. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe and join our channel.